Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making fajita chicken rice. Easy recipe, yummy in taste. Oil 3 tablespoon, boneless chicken 350 grams, garlic powder 1 tablespoon, white pepper 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste, pepper 1 tablespoon, paprika 2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes or until changes color. Onion, finely chopped onion half cup, finely chopped capsicum any color 1 cup. Mix everything, cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Sauce, water 1 cup, green chilies 2, garlic cloves 4, tomatoes 2, salt as per taste. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Coriander, handful of coriander, blend. Perfect consistency. Now arrange rice in a plate. White rice, fajita chicken fry, baked beans optional, sauce on top, sour cream, coriander on top. Thanks for watching. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. See ya, bye.